In this lecture, we identified the characteristics of networking in on-premises data centers versus networking inside the public cloud. On-premises data centers are located inside the physical buildings managed by you. You and your enterprise fully own it. You run your application and workload on these non-shared hardware resources. In the public cloud, you cannot touch or even see the data center. Cloud service providers give you managed services such as AWS Transit Gateway, Azure Virtual WAN, and Google Cloud Network Connectivity Center that are running on some shared infrastructure under the hood. In the public cloud, you have to be extra careful about security as compared to the on-premise data center. There is no concept of physical cages and DMZ in the public cloud. The internet sits next to your business-critical application. This could be extremely dangerous. Extra protection and considerations are needed for outbound Internet Egress traffic. The public cloud also lacks when it comes to providing a deeper level of visibility from a day 2 operations point of view. You need packet captures, ping, traceroute, and other familiar tools that might not be available in the public cloud.